Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to go ahead and answer a question. That question is, how do I find OTC tax liens and tax deeds in my market? In other words, how do I find over-the-counter tax liens and tax deeds in my market? So let me explain what over-the-counter means. Right. So when you go to your local tax lien or tax deed auction, and you're there at the auction and you have a number of properties that people are bidding on at auction. Now, as the auction goes on, there's going to be a percentage of properties that don't get bid on. Whether you are in a tax lien or tax deed area, this will happen. Right? There are a number of properties that will not get bid on. These are referred to as over the counter. In other words, these properties will be available at your local county over the counter. In order to go ahead and obtain these properties, what you're going to have to do is to contact your local county. If you want to understand the process of acquiring tax lien, over the counter tax liens and tax deeds in your local market, we just wrote an article on medium.com. That link is going to be in the description. Feel free to go ahead and check it out and bookmark it and follow us on medium.com. So go ahead, check out the link in the description, guys, and it will explain to you how to go about obtaining tax liens and tax deeds on over the counter status in your local market. Y'all take care. Have a good day.